Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Okay, Bobby, now hold tight. Are you ready to flip?
Bobby Flippy Pancake!
Yeah, that's right, Bobby. In 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, Oops.
Oh dear. Well, at least we have our burger.
Burger!
Oh dear, I think it might have got a little burned.
Oh, this is a disaster.
No, it's okay, Phoebe. We just need to practice.
Practice makes perfect. Oh, ice cream melty.
Oh dear. Okay, team, this is how we're gonna make our school lunch. We're gonna use a bit of fizzy magic. Join in with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Play-Doh!
Exactly, Phoebe. We are gonna use Play-Doh to create our very own school lunch.
Awesome sauce.
Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand. Hand.
Hi there, Fizzy and Phoebe. Whoa, look at all these pretty colors of Play-Doh. I am so excited to get crafting today. But first, we need to make sure that the grill is on and the ice cream maker is working. The grill is super fun because it cooks the food really quickly with lots and lots of heat. But this does mean that it gets really hot, so we have to be careful. Oh, look, and we have our utensils here. We have our tongs and a spatula. These are used to put the food onto the grill, and then it cooks all the way through. Now let's see how we turn this on. Whoa, Bobby, you made me jump.
Bobby turn on grill.
Oh, thanks, Bobby. Now we just need to check the ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker.
Did someone say ice cream?
Oh yes, Miss Hands did.
That's right, we have this awesome ice cream maker. Should we check that it's working?
Oh yes.
So I'm gonna put my cone under here, just like that. Press it in firmly, and I'm gonna add my Play-Doh to the top, up here.
Oh, wow!
And then I'm gonna push down with this lever, put it in place, and push really firmly. Whoa, it worked! Look at that!
Whoa, awesome!
I think this is a strawberry ice cream. That's my favorite. Isn't it cool?
Yum, yum, in my tongue.
Oh, not quite, Phoebe. We still have a whole lunchbox to make before we eat.
Well, what are we waiting for?
We're gonna make a tasty grilled cheese open sandwich. Let's start with our bread. Now, bread is a carbohydrate, and this means that when we eat it, it gives us energy, which is released slowly over a whole period of time. Bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes are all forms of carbohydrates. Okay, we've made our bread, and now I'm gonna take some brown Play-Doh. Can you guess what I'm gonna do with this? We gotta roll it out so it's nice and long and thin. And we're gonna cut some straight lines like this. And they're gonna be quite thin. Do you have any idea what this could be? Okay, here's the big clue. We're gonna start up here. You know what it is, don't you now? It's the crust that goes all the way around the bread. Perfect. And I'm just gonna shape it in here a little because most bread doesn't have straight edges. And now it's time to make our cheese. So I'm just going to move these little bits that we don't need. And move our slice of bread over here. And take our yellow Play-Doh. Here we go. Cheese is a dairy product. This is because it's made with milk. Dairy is really important. It contains calcium, which makes our bones strong. We're going to straighten these pieces here. And here. And I'm going to take the end of my handy little tool here and just add some detail. There we go. Let's pick up our cheese and put it on our bread. And this is ready for the grill. Ooh, this looks so tasty. Our grilled cheese sandwich is ready.
Oh, so hungry.
No, it's not ready yet, Bobby. We still have a few more tasty treats to make.
Oh.
Meow. I was trying to make fruit skewers.
Well, that's a great idea, Phoebe. I can help with that. Okay, let's make some awesome fruit skewers. I have my 2 little cocktail sticks here ready. And now we just need to create the fruit. Let's start with Phoebe's runaway blueberry. Set that there and we take some blue Play-Doh. Fruit is super important for a balanced diet. It has lots of vitamins and nutrition that keeps our bodies healthy. And in the top, we're just going to put a little dimple there. Ooh. There we go. I think it's time for a tasty treat of strawberries.
Strawberries!
That's Phoebe's favorite.
Oh, you're going to love this yummy lunch. Let's add the leaves at the top. Strawberries are a great source of energy because fruit contains natural sugars, and natural sugars give us a boost throughout the day. They also help keep us strong and support us growing as we get older. And we're just going to poke those little bits in there. There we go. We have our strawberry. And finally, let's make some orange slices. Fruit is so important because it helps boost our immunity and prevents us from getting ill. I think these are looking a little small to me. I'm going to make my skewers bigger. Perfect! Let's make our fruit skewers. And I'm going to do it in order. So I'm going to start with a blueberry. And then what do we make? We made a strawberry and an orange slice. And finally, I think another blueberry on here. Well, that's one, but we need some more fruit for our second skewer here. They look so tasty, don't they? I think it's time we used a different appliance. Okay, we're gonna have a waffle. Now, a waffle is a carbohydrate, but we're gonna be super creative and add ice cream to ours. First, I need to turn it on so it gets really good and hot, right up to the top like that. And then I'll open it up. And here we have our batter, and I'm gonna pour that in it goes. Now, while that cooks, we're gonna get our ice cream ready. Fizzy, Phoebe, I think I'm gonna need a hand.
That's us, Fizzy!
It sure is, Phoebe.
I have a bowl that goes underneath.
Good job, Phoebe. And then we're gonna add our ice cream to the top of the ice cream maker. I've got vanilla and raspberry.
Great job, team. Now we just have to press down really hard. Here we go. We sure can.
Oh, it's so pretty.
This looks awesome, team. It's gonna be such a tasty treat in our lunchbox.
Yay!
Ooh, can you smell that? Let's turn this off and open it up. And our waffle is ready. Let's cut it into quarters. Perfect. Let's add these to the lunchbox next to our ice cream.
Oh, oh.
Does that mean it's time for lunch?
It sure does, Phoebe.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will.
See you
Next time.
Next time.